This hotel knew my preferences before I even arrived. Before check-in, the team contacted me to learn about my stay, preferences, and what would make the experience special. It's a small detail, but it immediately made this hotel stand out. Welcome to MYTHIC SANA Downtown Suites in Lisbon, a luxury boutique property that focuses on personalized service from the moment you book. As soon as I arrived, I was welcomed with a smooth check-in experience and shown to my suite. The design blends modern elegance with comfort, creating a space that feels both luxurious and relaxing. The suite offers plenty of room, premium amenities, and thoughtful touches throughout. Every detail feels carefully considered, from the furnishings to the personalized welcome. One of the highlights is the attentive service. Each interaction felt genuine, and the staff went out of their way to make the stay memorable. The location is another major advantage, placing you within easy reach of Lisbon's historic attractions, restaurants, and shopping districts. If you're looking for a luxury stay that combines personalized attention, stylish suites, and an excellent location, MYTHIC SANA Downtown Suites is definitely worth considering. Would I stay here again? Absolutely.